This new software uses ChatGPT in order to create unlimited articles, images, software products, and even videos. So this is right here, I'm inside Max AI engine using Chat 5.2 GPT as the power for this article creation software, and I write the topic, it gives me the keywords, it lets me come up with title ideas, it lets me generate an outline, subject lines if I'm writing an email, bullet points, as you can see right here. It's basically perfect for everything from the sales page that you're reading right now, which has been written with Max AI engine, to a thesis for your kids' schoolwork, homework, to research projects and so on, and even SEO articles as well, getting your number one rankings in Google, posting on social media sites like Reddit, Facebook. So here you have it. Using Chat 5.2 GPT, Max AI engine gives you a one-time fee solution that enables you to create unlimited articles, unlimited content in any niche. You can even use the chatbot to chat with 10 different AI experts in different categories. You can also sell this as a service, so from finance to nutritionists to interior design, cybersecurity, language tutors, time management consultant, plenty more, and of course a default chat as well as an image generator inside which I am right now. So with the image generator, you can create any image you want just by typing your idea, and Max AI engine will create the image that you want. It uses ChatGPT image to create in seconds without you having to pay for a subscription, without you having to pay for tokens, without you having to watch ads or whatever. And we also have a video maker that turns your image into an entire video from scratch, as well as an AI code generator that enables you to create anything from software as a service product to web apps to WordPress themes to plugins to standalone desktop solutions to mobile apps. And with support and training built from the ground up for you right inside Max AI engine, you are guaranteed to be able to hit the ground running from day one.